Parliament also passed amendments to the Penal Code and Criminal Procedure Code.
Under the revised Penal Code, the mandatory death penalty will only apply to cases where killings were intentional. Otherwise, the court will decide if the accused should be given a death sentence or life imprisonment.
We are making the changes in the context of the homicide rate in Singapore, which is low, 0.3 cases per 100,000 population. In these circumstances, we think it right to introduce more judicial discretion in deciding whether the death sentence ought to be imposed for murder.
Some MPs called for more reforms.
I do hope that the Ministry of Law not stop at the mandatory death sentences for murder, but carry out a wholesale review of the mandatory sentences in our Penal Code and other penal statutes to see if they are properly calibrated.
It remains a mystery why Section 300C should still be classified as murder when the accused need not have intended death nor known that death was likely.
The Law Minister revealed his ministry is reviewing the provision for such murder cases.
We are looking at a number of provisions, including Section 300C, and if we believe that it ought to be either moved or amended in some form, we will let the House know. In the intervening period that we had, I did not think that we should take such a major step, having reviewed it in July and putting up the bill now. For the reason that discretion is going to be given to the judges now to impose life imprisonment. So a judge who then decides to impose the death sentence would be satisfied on the facts that death indeed is merited, a High Court judge, as opposed to life imprisonment.
Well, separately, amendments have also been made to the Criminal Procedure Code to make the process of appeal automatic for cases where the accused has been given the death sentence. Now, this means that no death sentence can be carried out unless it's been confirmed by the Court of Appeal.